Hi, it's Lorna, and today we're going to be doing more of a draw with me and not so much a tutorial. I am going to tell you a little bit about what I'm doing, and then I'm just going to let you watch. So I'm just drawing out my line art here on my mixed media paper. My mixed media paper is what I use for a lot of my artwork. However, you can use pastel paper, you could use watercolor paper, thick cardstock for this. I don't recommend printer paper for high-end art, but go ahead and use that if that's all you have. It should work okay. Your paper might warp a little, so I recommend taping that down. If you don't tape down your work, that's okay. You do not need to for oil pastels, but I like the way that it looks with a nice crisp line. In addition to that, I like that it's not moving around when I'm trying to blend. So tape is a good thing. I'm just using masking tape, but you could use artist tape, blue tape, or some other type of tape, just not Scotch tape. If you do only have Scotch tape, make sure that you make it low tack by sticking it on something repetitively and then putting it on your paper. So after I've drawn out my line art, I'm just going to go in and start coloring. I'm going to be having my light source on the left, and so all my shadows are going to be to the right, with the exception of my inset here of where my pit is. Where my pit is, because it's deep and there's not going to be a cast shadow, my shadow is going to be on the left side here. So you'll see that, and you'll see all the colors that I'm choosing. I've noticed that avocados are mostly a yellow color, and then towards the outside, so from the center they're yellow, and then the outside they're more green. You'll see that my olive green is not being friendly today, and it's very difficult to lay down, so I'm not going to blend my olive green out at the end. I'm just going to add more olive green so that it looks very pigmented and smooth. Sometimes with brands, some colors don't blend as well or at all. This one was, the olive green was just lifting when I was trying to blend it. You might be able to blend it out using oil, like we talked about in my other video, but I'm just using my fingers today, so I was not able to successfully blend it, so I worked around it. So continue watching to the end, and if you want, go ahead and draw along with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you want to be notified of when we make new videos, hit the notification bell. So I hope you have a wonderful week and a nice Memorial Day weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.